Welcome back to the coolest tech, where innovation, discovery, and the extraordinary converge. Get ready to buckle up, because we're diving into a world of innovation that will blow your mind. Today, we're unveiling 10 mind-blowing inventions that are set to take technology to a whole new level. From futuristic trucks harnessing the power of the sun to airplanes with wings inspired by fish, these creations are pushing the boundaries of what we thought was possible. Trust me, you don't want to miss any of these technologies. Stick around till the end because the last invention is a showstopper you won't see coming. Morphing wing. Now, let's shift gears to a new concept for airplane wings. Traditional wings have various flaps for changes in aerodynamics, but researchers are working on wings that mimic the movement of a fish's body. These wings can change their form without complex external mechanisms. The new wings consist of several primary components, including a moving skeleton that gives the wing its desired shape. They are covered with an elastic material, providing lower resistance and greater lift. This innovative solution results in a 25% increase in aerodynamic efficiency compared to conventional wings with flaps. The design allows for the placement of fuel tanks inside, similar to regular wings. Prototypes of these wings have been 3D printed and have shown promising results. Changes to the wing's forms are achieved through an electric drive system with ultrasonic motors, significantly enhancing the aircraft's maneuverability. Solar-powered Scania truck. In Sweden, a groundbreaking hybrid truck has hit the roads. This truck is a game changer because it runs on both fuel and solar power. The truck has an 18-meter long trailer that is covered in ultra-thin solar panels, totaling an area of 100 square meters. These solar panels significantly reduce fuel consumption by harnessing the power of the sun. The energy collected from the sun is stored in the truck's batteries, which have a total capacity of 300 kilowatt hours. Even in Sweden, where sunny days are not a guarantee, the trucks have shown promising results. It can achieve a range of up to 5,000 kilometers per year. In countries with more sunshine, researchers estimate that the annual range could go up to an impressive 10,000 kilometers. This technology holds great potential due to its cost-effectiveness and environmental benefits. eBlue Homes. Moving on, the eBlue Gaming Corporation is creating futuristic modular homes that have been nicknamed space-like. These homes are installed in challenging locations where traditional building construction is difficult. The homes come equipped with all essential furniture, appliances, air conditioning, electricity, and plumbing for comfortable living. Various modules are designed for different environments, including rural settings, deserts, and places near water. The module's roof is fitted with solar panels, making the home self-sufficient without needing a connection to the electrical grid. Cupra's Dark Rebel. Switching gears again, a Spanish brand called Cupras has unveiled an electric car inspired by Batman at an international auto show. The Dark Rebel EV is a two-seater concept car designed to prove that electric vehicles can be sporty and attractive. While technical specifications haven't been disclosed, the car's design draws clear inspiration from The Dark Knight. It features built-in headlights integrated into the body, intending to establish a signature style for the brand. The central part of the car is inspired by a speedboat, surrounded by large wings, diffusers, spoilers, cooling systems, and aerodynamic elements. Jump Aero concept. Now, let's take to the skies with an announcement from California-based Jump Aero. They unveiled a project for the first fully electric vertical takeoff and landing, or eVTOL, first responder aircraft. In development since 2019, this single-seat aircraft aims to help medical professionals respond quickly to urgent situations. Capable of transporting various medical equipment to remote locations, it has a maximum payload of up to 15 kilograms, speeds reaching 463 kilometers per hour, and the potential to become the fastest and most environmentally friendly mode of emergency response transportation. Emoji's ammonia-powered truck. Next up, a Brooklyn-based manufacturer, Emoji Incorporated, has tested a semi-trailer truck powered by ammonia. Ammonia's higher energy density provides several advantages over vehicles with conventional hydrogen elements. This innovative technology splits ammonia into hydrogen, directed to the fuel cell to power the vehicle. Using ammonia is not only more cost-effective, but also easy to store and transport, making it an environmentally friendly alternative fuel. Emoji Incorporated plans to implement this technology in other sectors, starting with drones and tractors, with shipping plans. Akira motorcycle. Now, let's zoom into Japan, where a fan of the movie Akira, Shinji Chima, has managed to recreate the futuristic motorcycle ridden by one of the main characters in the film. After several years of dedication, Chima unveiled his creation, officially recognized by the creator of Akira. The motorcycle's design pays attention to the smallest details, incorporating a digital dashboard, GPS navigator, and even a key shape like a tablet. Chima embarked on a tour across Japan, raising funds for charity and supporting the Bukur Company, which assists children with autism. The motorcycle is now on display at an exhibition in Tokyo, with proceeds directed toward the recovery of the Tohoku region after the earthquake and tsunami. Surf Edna. Shifting focus, students from ETH Zurich in Switzerland have showcased their underwater robot design for DNA sampling. This robot moves like a fish and operates almost silently thanks to special silicone fins and a water propulsion system. The robot features a unique software algorithm for its fins, allowing it to autonomously adjust its diving depth without the need for additional cables. It can conduct underwater surveys and collect DNA samples using its built-in filter. This technology enables more in-depth studies of organisms living in aquatic environments. Artemis Technologies EF-12. Moving to the UK, Artemis Technologies has unveiled an updated version of its crew transfer vessel for offshore wind farms. This vessel, designed to lift itself out of the water while in motion, reduces resistance, resulting in a 70% reduction in electricity consumption. The vessel, called EF-12 CTV, is designed for 12 people and features an expanded interior for passenger comfort. Safety measures include increased impact resistance and fire suppression technology. Operating entirely on electric propulsion, the vessel can reach speeds of up to 34 knots. Stent Road. Finally, engine manufacturers have developed an innovative robot that resembles a small worm called Sensor Worm. This robot is designed for inspecting and detecting defects in various engine parts. With its ability to easily navigate engine spaces, search for issues and corrosion, and measure the thickness of the engine's thermal barrier coating, Sensor Worm simplifies the engine inspection process. Its sticky base allows it to crawl upwards and be controlled by an operator using a controller. The robot is soft and malleable, ensuring it cannot harm the engine's internal parts. Thanks for joining us on this thrilling ride through 10 mind-blowing innovations. Which one amazed you the most? Drop your thoughts below and don't forget to subscribe for more incredible tech updates. Stay curious, stay inspired. See you next time.